It's the fastest growing app in history. Google's boss says its technology will be more transformative than fire or electricity. Elon Musk, on the other hand, says it could end civilization.
So how concerned should we be about the latest AI chatbot, GPT-4? Finn Hogan has been checking it out.
A humble-looking website that could change the world as we know it.
It's hard to overstate the impact that these tools are going to have. It's going to touch every area of the economy.
Chat GPT from tech company OpenAI is now the fastest growing app in history, and its new version, GPT-4, is vastly more powerful than its predecessor.
It's a big deal because these systems can do things that previously could only really be done by humans, like write code and write convincing text, and it's better than any system that's been made before.
This week, Google joined the AI arms race with its own version, Bard, but it's GPT-4 turning heads in tech. GPT-4 can now ace the bar exam to become a lawyer and virtually any test designed for humans. But it can also be creative. When asked by one user to turn $100 into as much money as legally possible, it helped create a business now worth $40,000 and counting. But it's not just limited to using language. Here is the OpenAI president sketching an idea for a website on paper, showing the sketch to ChatGPT and having it build his website in seconds.
Going from hand-drawn, beautiful art to working website.
The speed of progress is spooking even OpenAI's own founder.
I think people should be
You're a little bit scared.
A little bit, yeah,
You
of course.
personally.
If I said I were not, you should either not trust me or be very unhappy I'm in this job.
But what about everyday people's jobs?
Some people are going to lose their jobs over this. Because this is a tool that allows you to do tasks more quickly and easily, it means you'll need fewer people to get basically the same result.
Some might be an understatement. A recent Cornell University study on GPT found 80% of the US workforce could have at least 10% of their tasks automated. Nearly a fifth could have half their job automated. But lost jobs might be the least of our worries, according to one of OpenAI's original co-founders, Elon Musk.
If I say, like, what are the biggest risks to the future of civilization with AI? If something goes wrong, the reaction might be too slow.
And Elon isn't alone. A 2022 survey of AI experts asked for a percentage prediction that AI causes human extinction. The average response? 10%. But experts here say those fears are overblown.
It's a big deal, but it's not the end of the world. People are still people, computers are still computers, the world is still the world. These are just tools.
Instead, they say we need to learn from our mistake of being slow to regulate social media.
That's where the problem lies, is we're not regulating technologies, and that's where we need to work.
But with this technology advancing so fast, regulation may take too long. Instead, we'll just have to brace for impact and pick up the pieces afterwards. Finn Hogan, News Hub.